here. Welcome to my channel. Today I just want to come on and share a winnings from Ively's Creations. So I don't remember what I won, but this is from Ively, and if you guys don't know her, I'm going to link her channel below so you could go by and check her out. First, I just got to show you guys her packaging. It is so cute. Look at this fragile sticker. I don't know if she makes these or buys them, but it's adorable. So here are my wins, you guys. I'm super excited. It says, congrats on your win, Miss Ively. And this looks really cute. I can't quite tell. She has it so securely wrapped in all this bubble. And working on it. Okay, I've got it out, and her little string did get caught in here, but she has this gorgeous, gorgeous little jar here, you guys, and I'm gonna open it up. It has all cute little things inside, and then she has this here. This is ridiculously cute, you guys. It's like a little keychain heart resin, and it has inside, cute, super cute. I really love this. I don't know that it opens. I don't know. I don't want to break it. I absolutely love it. Absolutely beautiful. And then she also has this little here heart. I love how adorable this is. And this was on the outside here, but when it was coming out the bubble wrap, it got a little stuck. So here's the little jar full of goodies, and this is a plastic one, and she's got cute little pom-poms in here. She's got a little bow. Another one of these, oh boy, these are so adorable, so adorable. I haven't yet messed around with any kind of resin, but I would like to one day, you know, delve into that. It seems really fun. She sent me here, I guess this is a brad, really, really cool to put on a journal, and you can wrap your little closure around. A little flower here. Really, really sweet that she sent me this. Thank you so much, Ively. And there's a whole bunch of little more goodies in here. Of course, there's a cute, adorable little resin cat. I so love that. And we got another little resin flower. These are really, really pretty. Really pretty. Some other little goodies, a little watermelon, some blingies, and another flower. Pearls, and I really love everything. Whoops, thank you, Ively, for all these little goodies, and especially these gorgeous resin pieces. I love them. Alright guys, that is it for today. I just wanted to share my wins from Ively, Ively's Creations. Her channel's linked down below. You guys must go by, check her on out. And as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.